Taking a look at my project plans, my seat opens and closes. The pivot point is the back of the project, and we will be installing a piano hinge that is 30 inches in length as our joining component to allow our seat to open and close. On the front of our project, we do have that 1-inch overhang, and on the back of the project, our seat is sitting flush with our rear rail. And our objective is to install a piano hinge between that rear rail and the seat. Now this will raise up the back of the seat, so we need to account for this in our next operation. But we need to first figure out where exactly this is going to go. Our opening measures 45 inches and our hinge measures 30 inches. This will leave 7.5 inches on either side of the hinge. So that hinge then lines up with both of my marks. However, I will be using a flush cut router bit to help make this. That flush cut router bit is round, which is going to end up leaving a small radius at the beginning and the end of my cut. So to account for this, we're going to make our mark about 1/8 inch beyond our previous marks. We can verify those measurements with the hinge one last time, and our layout is looking good.